Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I tested out a hair straightening brush. I've never tried one before and I've always been interested to see if they actually work on my hair, and this one actually did. And not only did I test it on my hair, but I tested it on my best friend's hair as well, so you guys can see how it works on two different hair types, two different curl patterns. I thought that would be interesting to add this to the video to see not only how it works on my hair but on somebody else's hair, and maybe you can get a reference for how it'll work on your hair. This is the box it came in. Obviously I opened it because I used it, but this is the company called TYMO. They sent me this brush, so thank you to them. And then this is what it looks like. And then on this side of the box they have some of the features of the brush, which I will talk more about throughout the video so you guys don't have to sit here and read all of this. But yeah, so when you open the box, turn it around, and this is what the brush comes in. It's like this little velvety case. It's actually pretty nice packaging. And then this is the brush in here. So the brush also came with some accessories or some like hair tools to help you straighten your hair. And it came with these two clips here to hold your hair back while you're straightening your hair. It came with a glove and it just says TYMO on it. And this is like a heat resistant thing so you don't burn your hand. And then it also came with a pouch for the hair straightener. When you're done using it, you can slip it in this pouch and it could be stored away nicely. I love the brush, and I will show you guys how I straighten my hair and how I straighten my best friend's hair right now.
Okay, so at this point my hair isn't even in curls anymore. I had washed my hair like 2 days before I actually straightened it, but I just didn't have any time. So I washed it, I dried it, I air dried it. There hasn't been any product in it. It's just been like in buns, and I've just been wearing it out crazy like this for a whole 2 days basically. But anyway, so right now I'm just parting it, and I'm going to comb out each section of my hair first because I didn't really have faith in the hair straightening brush to actually comb out the knots for me. Even though it is a brush, my hair was very knotty at this point, so I just made sure I did that first. So I'm going to be using this heat protectant from Silk Elements. I've used this one plenty of times and I think it works just fine. So this straightening brush has a Fahrenheit temperature display, and it also has an auto temperature lock, which means it memorizes the temperature that you last had it on, so that when you turn it on again, it just heats up to that temperature automatically, and it just makes your straightening process so much faster. So for the most part, I only needed to pass the brush over my hair twice. I did once from the bottom and then once from the top, and that was usually good enough for it to be like pretty straight. The only thing I had some trouble with was my ends, but that could be due to me not having a haircut or a trim in a while, and just the fact that the brush is like pretty thick, so it would not flatten it the way that a regular flat iron would flatten my hair.
So I decided I want to see how long it will take me to straighten my hair. Right now it's 11:30, and now this bottom piece probably took like 5-6 minutes. So we'll see how long it takes me to finish.
This brush has like an anti-scald design, so it's really hard to burn yourself while you're using this brush, which is really good because that's the worst when you're just trying to look cute and then you end up with burn marks and stuff. But anyway, it also has an ionic generator, which improves the shininess and the smoothness of your hair. So I was really impressed by this hair straightening brush. I was not expecting my hair to look this good with a brush like this. I actually forgot that I even had these clips, that's why I wasn't using them until right now, but they actually are really helpful instead of having to use a barrette to tie up the hair that you're not working on. And something else I forgot I had as well is this heat protectant glove. And at first I was a little hesitant on using this because these little dots that you see here, they're kind of like a rubbery material. And it almost felt like it was a material that would just get stuck to my hair and kind of yank on it more than actually, I don't know, make it easier to run my hand through. But that was not the case at all. It was really easy to work with my hair while using this glove and also help my hand from not burning from how hot my hair was. Okay, so now moving on to my BFF's hair. Her hair is way more curlier, her curls are tighter. I would say maybe she has like a 3C, maybe 4, I don't really know, but definitely tighter curls, definitely thicker hair. But we're gonna see how this brush works on her hair as well. This was actually recorded a whole week before the first part of this video, so yeah.
They could see, but that was one pass and that literally straightened it so well. The only thing would be like to get a little bit closer to the root, but literally one pass made that so straight.
Okay, so it worked really well on her hair as well. The only thing was that I said I had trouble getting to her root, but I did not have that problem when working on my own head because I'm comfortable with how close I can get to my head. The problem with her was that I just didn't want to burn her, so I wasn't getting as close as I probably could have. I'm sure if she had done this herself, she would have got her roots really good, just like I was able to do on my own head. And these are her final results, and I'm sorry this is so trash and turned vertically, that's my bad. But yeah, her hair came out pretty good.
So these are my final results. The thing I love most about this brush is that it only took me 40 minutes to do my hair. I was literally shook because it takes me 2 hours if I do it regularly by blowing it out and then flat ironing with the flat iron. So the only thing I would say, I guess, negative about this brush is that it's really hard to get, at least for me, to get my ends really sleek like a flat iron would get them. So they are a little bit puffier than I would like them to be, but also I do need a trim. So I don't want to blame it completely on the brush, but yeah, a flat iron definitely could get you that very, very sleek look that this brush doesn't really get you. Other than that, it got my roots really good. I don't have to go over it with a flat iron. The only thing I would go over would be my ends with like a curling iron or just a flat iron to make it look the way I really, really want it to look. So this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I really appreciate it. Also, you can leave some comments of some videos you would like to see, preferably none with heat because I've done too much heat this year. It's like my 4th or 3rd time, and yeah, I have no control. But yeah, leave some comments on some videos you guys want to see from me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!